Welcome back to the shop, guys. It happens every couple years. You notice you have a tire that's kind of slowly getting low, and you look around the perimeter of it and you see a shiny metallic object, typically a nail. Today we're going to go through how to do a quick plug on that. From my experience, the plugs tend to last for years with no issues. That having been said, it's not the correct way to do it. So despite that warning, we're going to take care of this tire next.
Toys for life.
The kit I'm going to be using is just the Slime Deluxe Repair Kit. You can get these pretty much anywhere for about $7. And the first step, we'll go ahead and open this up carefully. The slime tool comes with the reamer, enough plugs to plug about a dozen tires, the installer tool, and don't forget the rubber cement. First step, let's go ahead and see exactly what we're dealing with, and we'll try to pull this nail out. Sometimes they come out easy, sometimes not so much. Oh. And we have a lovely self-tapping screw. And the first step is to take this reamer and essentially use it to clean out the hole to make sure that it's ready to accept the plug. Always feels a little bit wrong doing this to your tire, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Definitely do it a few times so that it cleans everything out and makes it just a teeny bit bigger for this plug to fit in there, because otherwise you won't be able to get the plug in. Next step, we're just going to take one of these plugs, and by definition they are kind of gooey, and insert it into the tool. And we're going to take a little bit of rubber cement that comes with the kit. I don't really know how much this stays on here. They say to do it, maybe it acts like a little bit of lubricant, I'm not sure. But anyway, put yourself a good amount of rubber cement on here, and hopefully that'll aid in sliding it in this pretty tight hole. So we're going to pull this out. We're going to put this in about halfway, then we're going to pull it straight out to leave the plug in the tire. Remember what I said about reaming that out to make it a little looser so this will fit? That's exactly why you want to do it a few times, because I took a fair amount of energy to get that in there. I pushed it in so the plug is about halfway in. Now we got to take the tool out. And as you can see, hopefully, the tool has this little split in it so that when you pull it out, it slips out. The final step is to hold the plug up, and with a fresh razor blade, a nice sharp one, you want to slice this off as close to the tire as you can. And what's left will just slowly wear away as you drive down the road. Guys, we've done quite a few of these through the last couple of decades. They're not an officially approved way to do a permanent repair, but if you have a nail or something that's within the tread part of the tire and you're able to get this plug to fit in there tight like I just did, and that was tight, it'll last a long time. Now, as a disclaimer, this is not the professionally approved way to do this, but if you want, you can take it to a shop and spend $60, have them dismount the tire and put a patch on the inside. Choice is yours. So guys, one thing I might want to point out, if This was on the C5 and I had a brand new set of $300 high-end tires. I might not do this, I'm not sure. However, pretty much any other vehicle I have, as long as the hole is in the tread pattern, it's fair game to be plugged because it just works well. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you learned something, please hit that subscribe below and the thumbs up. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.